Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook salmon in a skillet with skin. First, let's get our salmon ready. It's crucial to pat your salmon fillets completely dry with paper towels. This simple step is key for achieving that wonderfully crispy skin we all love. Then, season both sides generously with salt, pepper, and any other herbs you prefer. Make sure your skillet is a heavy-bottomed, oven-safe one, like cast iron, for even cooking. Now, let's get our skillet ready for action. Place your heavy-bottomed skillet over medium-high heat and let it get really hot for about 2 to 3 minutes. You want it to be shimmering. Then, add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of a high smoke point oil, like avocado or grapeseed oil. Swirl the oil around to ensure the entire bottom of the pan is evenly coated, creating the perfect nonstick surface. This is where the magic happens for crispy skin. Carefully place your salmon fillets, skin side down, into the hot skillet. Immediately, gently press down on each fillet for about 30 seconds to ensure maximum contact with the pan. Cook for approximately 4 to 6 minutes. You'll see the skin turn a beautiful golden brown and become wonderfully crispy. The salmon should appear cooked about 2/3 of the way up from the bottom. Once the skin is perfectly crispy, it's time to finish cooking. Flip the salmon fillets and cook for just another 2 to 3 minutes on the flesh side. If you have thicker fillets, you can transfer the skillet to a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for an additional 5 to 7 minutes. Finally, remove the salmon from the pan and let it rest for about 5 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a moist and flavorful result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.